1 through 8 are the same counts on each. 9 and 10 are different on each.
We have Great, we'll agree to that and count 4. That's the 10.
I'm printing the other one too, just because it's going to be hopefully easier and hopefully it'll print. It should be on its way. All right, sir, in cause number 24, DCCR 1791, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This one shows you were placed on probation September 24th of 2024 for theft of a firearm, a third-degree felony, and that was also a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Each of these cases allege that you violated your probation. Count 1 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon May 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 2 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon May 25th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 3 alleges that you committed the offense of a minor in possession of alcohol May 25th of 2025, and is that true or not true?
True.
And then the state is abandoning 4, correct? In each case. Count 5 in each case alleges that you committed the new offense of resisting arrest or transport May 27th of 2025, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count 6 in each case alleges that you failed to report as directed to the probation department February 10th and May 15th of 2025, and is that true or not true?
True.
Count
Just technical, so we can.
All right, state.
The courtroom falls silent as a young defendant faces the truth, multiple charges, broken probation, and a history with guns. At just 20 years old, the judge's words hit hard. You think it's cool to steal guns? But now, that choice has led him straight to prison. Justice speaks loud, and the lesson is final.
True to those freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? In each of these cases, I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed those, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've reached in each of your cases, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1 in each case.
No objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Williams is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true, and in each case freely and voluntarily, to counts 1 through 3 and 5 and 6. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty. In cause number 23, DCCR 1801, find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 5 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. Cause number 24, DCCR 1791, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of theft of a firearm, third-degree felony. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 5 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm going to hand you in each of these cases trial court certifications that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I'm also going to hand you, and you need to listen carefully to this one because I'm not sure what's going on with you and all this gun stuff. Apparently you think it's cool to steal guns, have guns when you're not supposed to, and it's landed you now going to prison at, how old are you? 20 years old. You're going to prison because you can't keep your hands off guns, really. So because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. If you possess a firearm or ammunition, charges could be filed against you, and those charges are third-degree felonies. So it's no more UCW, unlawful carryings. It's a third-degree felony, felon in possession of a firearm, because you're now a felon. Do you understand? If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Ms. Holmes. All right, I'm handing you...
He's only 20, yet the courtroom echoes with the sound of lost chances. The judge warns him, no more weapons, no more second chances. 5 years behind bars, and a lifetime marked by one decision. In that moment, the weight of justice isn't just a sentence, it's a wake-up call.